In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive in dark mode on your desktop. This feature is perfect for those who prefer a darker interface that reduces glare and is often easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. We'll walk through each step carefully so you can follow along and switch to dark mode with ease. Let's begin by navigating to the Google Drive homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com into the address bar. Hit enter and you'll find yourself on Google Drive's main interface. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so with your Google account credentials to proceed. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll notice a gear icon. This is the settings icon and it's the gateway to customizing your Google Drive experience. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, offering a few options. From this drop-down menu, select Settings. This action will open up a new window displaying various options you can adjust according to your preferences. It's a great space to explore if you're interested in personalizing other aspects of your Google Drive usage. Once the settings window has opened, look towards the left-hand side for a menu. Here you will find a section labeled Appearance. Clicking on Appearance brings you to the part of the settings where you can change the look and feel of Google Drive. This feature can dramatically impact your overall experience, especially if you spend a lot of time working online. Within the appearance section, you'll see several display options, including the one we're focusing on today, dark mode. It should be fairly prominent and easy to spot. Click on dark to activate the mode. Once you do this, you may notice the interface shifts from its usual bright whites to a more muted, darker theme. This alteration can help reduce eye strain, especially useful during long periods of use or late at night. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully switched Google Drive to dark mode. Enjoy the newfound softer display that might just make your time spent working or organizing files a bit more comfortable. If at any point you'd like to revert to the standard look, simply repeat these steps and select the default theme to switch back. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks, and until next time, keep exploring.